Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall.
Good morning, good morning. Guys, tell me, is the camera working? Is the camera working today? Is it working? Can you see me? Can you see me? Am I here? Do you see me? Do you see me? All right. If you can see me, I guess we can go back to normal. We can go back to normal size here. We don't have to be huge. We can be normal size. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Cooper, Donovan, Predator, Tris, Eric, Marcine, Tucson Kid, Robert, Eric, Vince. What up? Largely. I was large. What up, Clarity? Oh, goodness. Yeah, we had to come on. We had to come on to make sure the camera was working. I wasn't sure. Can you see me now? All right, we keep it small. Man, Nasdaq's just breaking out here. Breaking out here very much like it, similar to yesterday morning at 9 a.m. How we broke out, but broke to the downside. Not quite as big of a move, but what up, Trev? That's what you walk into, Trev. That's what you walk into. All right, let's get a couple of things pulled up here. Let's go ahead and start this. Bam. Dun 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 dun. All right, let's get some music going. I want to listen to some music this morning. You just entered in short for a pullback. Good luck, Cooper. I mean, we did just run a key level. We did. No real news today. We have, let me find it. We got like 2-star news at 10, factory orders month over month. I don't think that does anything. There's really nothing, to be honest. I would basically consider it like a no news day. That's what I would consider it. You'll join the rig giveaway, Marcine. You got to. About 10:30 Vince, we do the giveaway. About 10:30 every day. Yeah, tomorrow we have news. But as you're entering the giveaway, make sure to hit the like button. I am going to be a little more stingy with the like button here. There's no reason we can't get 100 likes. Got out too soon, DA. Well, at least you got some of it. All right, let me show you what we did overnight. Got our small base hit. $51 on the pros, 47s on the PAs, 46 on the lucids, and then around $100 on the others. So we'll still be trading these evals today. As you can see, we're about $700 from passing the 3 trade days. This one's a little less. But I need to get these passed by Friday. So we need to average 250 a day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So today we really need another 250 to kind of maintain that. So I'm going to try it. We'll see what happens. Obviously, if we don't pass them, it's not the end of the world. They'll just rebuild. It's fine. Serious with that like button. That's right, Trading Star. Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Oh, goodness. Make sure I'm on the right time frame today. ES pushed up there to 68.80. Mancini did call out a long. Let's show you guys that. So here was the long for Mancini that I marked out. A sweep of 56 and a recovery. It happened here. It happened at 3 o'clock. So at 3 o'clock, your long triggered for Mancini. It did do a retest, but never broke back below. That was your first failed breakdown opportunity. And then today we got 60. Looking for traps below 63, but we can move these over. These are still valid, even for today. This is how I'm writing out his levels from now on. I'm just drawing arrows. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Why not? Grand Rising. What up, Tony? Tyson, how long does it usually take to make it to payout with base hits? So it's simple math, Tyson. If you need $2,600 and you're making $50 a day, that's 52 days to get to payout. Assuming you have no losses. Assuming you have no losses. You over here blowing evals fundeds left and right. $33 from fasting a TPT. Blew the whole thing. Oh, dang, design. That sucks. Man, that sucks. Morning, Dean. Philcos, what up? Doing good. Clambo DCA to liquidation. You did too? Oh, dang. Nuh-uh. Haven't blown any evals yet, but definitely not getting payout anytime soon. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of doing the base hit thing, guys. Listen, I'm not perfect with it either. I'm not perfect. I still am making mistakes that I need to clean up. So, you know, last night, I mean, I'm making these nights a little harder than they need to be. So, is what it is, right? Is what it is. So no real news today. You were close, but 3 red days in a row. Yeah, it's been kind of tricky. That's why last night was actually a perfect night for somebody who's looking for base hits. Because if you look at last night's action, number one, how big's the range, right? 90 points. 90 points. If you're just, I mean, even if you got long here last night, and then you DCA'd here, and then you DCA'd down here for this sweep of this low, well, you got back out, right? So if you managed it properly with proper size, last night was a great night for overnight trading because you couldn't really get in trouble. It's ranging in both sides, chop, just inside this box here, right? So, in hindsight, it looks really easy, but I didn't manage it great, so wasn't from rule breaking. All failed setups. Maybe I can learn from this. Yeah, that's the thing. Sometimes, I mean, like, that's just a part of it, right, Trev? If you just took your setups and they failed, nothing you can do about that. Good morning, Condivergence. You treat your 3 Bull Nuts master accounts like gold, only base hits, single contracts. Yeah, that's all you do. Got the short up $300. Let's go. I overslept. I literally just woke up like 15 minutes ago. Didn't have the kids this morning, so exclamation point MM if you want to get into the giveaway. Women are on this verge of a nervous breakdown by Pedro Almodovar. Is that my favorite movie? Yeah. Never heard of that one. So, yeah, Trev, I mean, that's excellent. Following the rules, no tilt. That's all you can ask for. That's all you can ask for. Good morning, TJ. Don't enter. You're not going to win. It's rigged. I don't know why the previous day close did not print today. It's at 6:45. This says 6:57. That's where it was at yesterday, right? I don't know why. Is it off? I think it is. And see, that's why I don't have the previous day close on there. It's in the wrong spot. That's why I don't let it automatically put it on there. It doesn't put it in the right spot. Let me take it off. Price levels. If I take it off and put it back on, it's still in the wrong spot. The open is right. Yeah, the open's correct. Raffle is the rug pull. It's the only guarantee. Gotta hit the right spot. Oh. Nothing wrong with that design. Yeah, the activation fee is a little high, but it's 91% off on the front end, so it costs you a little less on the front end. The PA fee applies to gifts as well, visible. Any type of account the PA fee applies to. Mad Moxie in the house. So what do we think today? Let's look at the hourly. Let's take a look and see what we think. It really depends on how the hourly closes. We could go up to that. I mean, this little small hourly gap is... This gap's the only thing holding us down. So effectively, the hourly needs to close above 721. If it does, I think we make our way to the 830s. But we are very high in the range. Doesn't look like it's going to do it. I mean, we might get a 2-minute long setup here, potentially. We could. Right before open, a little scary, but maybe we take it. Maybe we take it. Big 15-minute opening range here. It's 100 points. That is quite insane. I might take the opening range, but if I do, it's going to be for like 10 points. What up, it's Trading Star? Be brave. I try. Cash Johnny. Cash Johnny. Harry Tom. There we go. What up, Goku? Did I see the 6A? No. What is that visible? Somebody just said that. I thought it was a typo. I didn't check my email today, and their webpage is not working. What was it? I guess I can look on the Discord right quick. You know, the Discord. 6-7? $6 PA fee? No, I didn't see that. Let me see. I don't see that. Where do you see that at? Are you trolling? $84 all in on 6 accounts. 6-7. Woo! Are you sure? I haven't seen anything about that. Where's that at? Apex email? I don't know. I haven't gotten it. People were talking about it. I haven't gotten it. Oh, wait. Here it is. Apex milestone sale. So if you want to trade 20 accounts, now is the time to get them. $84.40 all in, all sizes. 6 evals, all price $196, then 60% off. 1 day to pass. Okay, so this is $84. So basically, no activation fee is what it basically is, kind of. Nice. That sounds nice. Use code MYTH. It's pretty much like a no activation fee kind of sale. 1 day to blow. Oh, classic. You ain't wrong. Nice. That's a pretty nice little sale there. So it's $84 upfront cost, right? And then $6 PA fee, so it's $90 effectively. It's not bad. No, wait. $78 plus the 6, so it is $84 all in. Okay, I got it. 84 for 1 account weeks, any size. They got 6 different sizes available. I'm assuming that's most of your normal sizes. Lift off, yeah. You can get 6 250s for 84. I don't know if 250s included in that. It's 6 size accounts, and it doesn't tell me what size accounts are included. But I would imagine, I mean, how many sizes do they have? 25, 50, 100, 150, 250, 300. They only got like 6 sizes anyway. I don't know of other size they have. All right. Here we go, guys. Here's the open. I'm going to be watching for the breakout here. In fact, I will set... We'll set 2 up here. I'll take those for the breakout there. As far as stop goes, it'll be... I mean, it really needs to be 50 points, but not going to give it 50 points. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Weeks. Alright, may have a setup here. Just kind of pushing through there. We don't mind a pullback here. We don't mind a pullback. You'd rather do the same day payout in the other 3 firms? Yeah, it's up to you, Owlboy. That's the nice thing about it. It's so many other options. These sales lately seem too good to be true, but the December price action holidays, it's more likely we're going to get rebuild. Yes. Exactly, Batsky. Well, let's see if we get a push down or not. If we kind of recover here. All right, I'm going to take that breakout of the bottom of the 15-minute range here if we get it. It's a little scary. 100 points straight down. Your female neighbor visited me today for a morning coffee. Only coffee. I don't know if that's a trade relevant. Yeah, Convergence. We were just talking about it. Not bad. $84 all in. Definitely wouldn't be full porting those accounts, though. All right, we got a gap fill. We do have a gap fill here, guys. We did just fill the gap. Got a bear, the gap fill. Previous day close is banging, but I don't take that before 10 a.m. I don't take that before 10 a.m. Love when gaps get filled? Yeah, of course. Again, I'm just going to go for 10 points here on the run, and then a runner for like a few more. There we go. Tagged in. I'm going to go stop to break even at the 10. There we go. There we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. 50 bucks. All right, I'm going to watch here because we could get a long opportunity. Morning, Alexi. Yes, it's kind of knifing here too. Nasdaq knifing lower too. That 500 level down there with all those wicks. Remember from yesterday that I was trying to target? All those wicks down there at 500. Just going to leave it for today, I guess. Nvidia gapped up. Okay. Hold on. We might get a long setup here. God dang it. I really miss it. I'm going to take it. I'm late, but I'm going to take it. I wanted to get in with 2. I missed I was like looking sideways and ES dipped down below the failed breakdown level and then ripped. Let's go. Man, ES just fucking it just wicked down to that failed breakdown level and just ripped up there, guys. I mean, like, I almost missed that. I mean, here it is. We got it marked out. And look at that. Boom. Just a wick. Huge reaction off of it. Rip right back higher. Oh, I almost missed that. I only took that with 2 micros. I wanted 4. I wanted to take it with 4 total, but I missed it. But that's all right. I wanted to leave a runner, honestly. I wanted to go break even there and leave a runner. But we did take it for 20 points, so we'll take it. 2 micros. The lead account only takes 1, and then the followers take double the size. So such a nice bounce there. Look at that huge bounce. So my next long opportunity would kind of be a close above this. I know that's kind of buying the high, but that would be what I'd be looking for. But I don't think we get that. If we get, well, if we continue to move lower, we'll start taking the fail breakdowns on the lower levels as well. Failed breakdowns on the lower levels. What up, Punisher? Good morning. Yeah, we had a bullish S&T there for sure. I like it. ES definitely looking a little more bullish. Same as yesterday. And it just retested that breakdown level over there of 63. If it holds 63, we could go. We could go. I could take a stab for the 63 level. I might do that. If we retest 63 here, I might long. We got it in an email room. It's $84 all in upfront cost. So it's basically a no activation fee deal. All right, I'm going to stab here, and I'm going to hold a runner to the opening print. And if ES loses the 63, I'll just get out. There we go, out of the first. If the ES gets above 68 here, I'm going to go stop to break even. All right, stop to break even. ES is above 68. I expect us to run. I'm going to target the opening print. $420 is the daily low. Yeah, I mean, it could be a... I like the 400 level down there. We still got a gap, unfinished business, and a gap at 400 as well. So, we'll see. Was waiting for the flush all night, gave up right before the market opened. Yeah. You got it. Let's see if this thing can squeeze here. We're going to give it a chance. If ES can get above this 68, we can go. Need ES to get above 68 here to rip. It popped above it, but it didn't close above it. Holding up there at the VWAP right now. There we go. Come on, get a little squeeze going here off above that 68. There we go. There we go. I think we run the opening print now. I might take profit or lock some in once ES reaches 77. Smash the like button. Let's go. Once ES reaches 77, I'm going to consider locking some in, or I may even just take profit. Needs to close above 68 here and hold. Needs to hold above and go. 15 seconds left on this candle. Lego. Lego. All right, nice close above here. Want to see it hold that 68 level. It's what it's got to do in order to squeeze. ES is going to run that opening print before Nasdaq does, for sure, if it does. Nasdaq's definitely the weaker indice here. Definitely the weaker one. Thank you, Golden Eagle. Oh, no. It's got to hold that 68. It might get us. Might get us. Might get us. I'm not willing to give this more room, but it could just be a higher low and go, though. I'm not willing to give it more room. Going for a bigger play here, so that's the idea. We'll enter again on the next failed breakdown level if we have to. We held the bottom of that 15-minute gap there, 15-minute opening range. Needs to bounce. ES, the 68 is the key level there. ES just wicked again lower. ES is on something today, man. It is moving around. ES is moving around here. Got to be quick. All right, looking for a spot here. Watching the ES very closely. You have to pay more up front. Yeah, so it's $84 up front, no activation fee, basically. They're calling it a $6 activation fee, but effectively it's no activation fee. It's included in the upfront cost. $84. Use code MYTH. Long again. Watching the ES. Pushes back below that previous level there at 63. We will be out. Squeezing above it right now. It's got to hold it. If it doesn't hold it, we'll be out. Being aggressive here. Since when is Steven Seagal your favorite actor? He's just great. He's amazing. All right, I'm gonna eat that. God dang it. I'm back in again. I should wait for the next level. I really should. I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna be aggressive on this eval. Holding that 60 level for now. I'm kind of finding a bottom here on the ES, but I'll go for a little bit bigger of a let's see. You're just observing. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. What up, Marco? Marco. All right, ES moving down to the next level here. I'm probably going to do what I shouldn't do and just hold. You have 6 days to get the $6. Yeah, basically. Put them in the same category with Arnold. Get to the chopper. Waiting for the first hour. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, lost bidding. Nothing wrong with that at all. All right, 15 opening range is set, but why is it not? Why is the opening range not showing up? I don't know why the opening range is not showing up. All right. If we can reclaim 60 here, this thing should squeeze on the ES. We'll leave a little runner on here if we can get tagged out on these. Kind of reclaim that 60 here to go. I don't know why the 15-minute opening range is not printed on here. Or is it? No, it didn't. I don't see it. 618. One successful trade a day makes your sorrow go away. Yeah, it's kind of like golf, right? You're like, golf is terrible. I hate this sport. And then you hit one solid shot. And you're like, oh, I love golf. I'll be back tomorrow. Need to get a squeeze back up here. We were in tech season earning reports. Yeah. Scottish whiskey. Still have not reclaimed that 60 level there. Just couldn't quite do it. There's a sweep of 56 one more time. Sweep of the low one more time on ES. Yeah, weeks they are. I hate that. Arnold was a governor and Steven Seagal was a sheriff's deputy. That's true. That's true. I kind of want to take this off, but at the same time, I know that when this pops, it's going to pop hard. So I'm trying to wait. I think we get a nice pop. Like when it pops, it really is going to pop. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Arnold's father was an Austrian soldier. Really? Oh. Oh, goodness. The low is at 54. Did they run it? No, it didn't run it quite. All right, now it ran the low. Let's see if that can get it going. I went a little too heavy in this, to be honest. What up, Black Phoenix? I'm a little too heavy in this here. But it's all right. So ES needs to recover 56 now for it to be a failed breakdown level. Get back above 56 here. It should squeeze to a degree. And we'll add there if we do. Close above 56, I'll add. Holding up right there at 56 for now. I like Austrian painting. Yeah, sure, why not? I like it all. The Apex deal sucks. I'd be Lizzo's spar partner. I'm long Black Phoenix. Unfortunately, I'm long. I guess I could just take this off and re-enter. That probably would be the safest play. Morning, Coach Fred. Francis, I believe so. I think so. Lucid extended sale too. Bulanox sales all month. All month. All right, reclaiming the 56 here. I'm looking for a squeeze back up, so I added. There we go, out of the ads. So we're only in 4 here, much more reasonable position. ATR is decent, yeah. More range-bound stuff, yeah, for sure. Owlboy, I did pretty much. That's what I'm doing. Just 1 trade per day. Try to anyway. All right, there we go. There's the recovery of the next level here. Let's see if we can get above 60 here and kind of squeeze. We're going to probably go for a little bit bigger trade on these. ES already went level to level here, so... Pulling back there. Yes, back to the 56 here. Next level down is 47, so... ES need to hold 56 here. If it doesn't, the next level down is 47. She's lying visually and verbally. Diaper looks heavy. Yeah, it does. We do have that level down there at the 500s too that looks interesting. I might have should have taken it down to 2 right there, but I'm okay with it. Uh, 47. $47. I don't know if I should just exit here and re-enter. It's probably the smartest thing to do. Yeah, we do got that level down there. Philco's at 400 for sure. It could. Your target's the daily low. Bear levels, weekly high, 25,500. I like that 500 level too. Yeah, 422 didn't quite fill it either, Koper. 400 would fill that gap completely. I mean, it gave me an opportunity to get out there and I didn't take it. I still feel okay about it. I just don't need to add too quickly. I mean, if we push back up and test the 21 here, that could be a short setup for me. So I'm going to watch that level really close. I'll watch that very, very closely. We reclaim 56 here. I'll add one more, maybe 2 more here. Hey, Yomanes, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I'm going to get out of most of these. I'm going to try to be reasonable with this. Well, we're back in 6. We need to get out of these here. Needs to go now. Otherwise, we might be in trouble on this account. Nudge the lows, but didn't break. Range bound's the story of the week. Yeah. Once she goes, oh. No, that's not trade related, Philcos. Welcome, Mayonnaise. What up, Pine Tree? I'm in a long pine tree. I'm trying to work out of it. Maybe get a first. Might get our first inside buy right here. You were just wondering. Again, I want to see ES get above 56 here. I think we get a squeeze back up. If we get above 56 there, we'll see. Oh, it definitely looking bearish. Definitely looking bearish. But we're over here trying to knife catch. Or whatever the word is. I mean, level to level, these failed breakdowns have paid. Like, each one has recovered the level, paid to the next level. You've not gotten a runner going yet, but eventually it's going to happen. Eventually it's going to happen. You pay $15 for an eval and it's passed on Bulenox and leave it there for 3 months. No, it's fine. They will recharge you room. They'll rebill you unless you've already got 3 fundeds. If you got 3 fundeds, they don't rebill you for the 4th, the 5th, the 6th until you get above the... they want you to pay for the activation once you get above the buffer. But if it's just... I don't know. I've heard different things. Some people say they don't rebill you. Some people say they do. So I'm not 100% sure on that. You're done for the day. Locked in 6K Lucid payouts. I'm taking tonight. Nice. Went tilted yesterday in Blue 5 Pro accounts. Oh, they were over the buffer? Damn, Pine. That sucks. That sucks. It's like one thing to blow them like day 1, day 2, but like over the buffer. Oh, sucks. If you have 3 active, you're good. You can sit there for as long as you want until you get the 3 Bulenoxes over $2,600. Once you get them over $2,600, they'll send you the invoice. But I still think it can sit there as long as you want, even if they send you the invoice. Might have an inside bar here. Come on, let's go. Rip it. Rip it. I mean, I just wanted to retest the 21 EMA. That'll get me out the majority here. Inside bar on the 5 minute. We want to kind of see it break up. 578. Effectively, we got to break the 9. That's what's got to happen. ES got to break the 56, and we got to break the 9. It's a reasonable chance it might happen. Rip it, bro. Rip it. Yeah. There we go. ES testing 56. This should squeeze now. I don't want to say it too soon, but I think we squeeze here. Should be able to squeeze here. There we go. ES going nicely there. Need to retest the 60. I'm probably going to scale out of these 3 if ES touches 60. I'd like it to hit the targets, obviously. I don't want ES to wick above the 56 and then come back down. 5 minute inside bar did tag you in long if you're taking it. I'm already long. Show's oversold. Might get a pop. Let's go. Inside bar pulling back. Oh no, don't fail. There we go. There we go. Good reaction. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 37 ATR. That pop was minimum. Yeah, I agree. I mean, we need ES to get above 56. It needs to hold. It needs to close above it. It needs to close above it. The sad face worked. Yeah, true pine tree. It might go down if it fails, for sure. All right, come on. Rip it up, yeah. Get us out of this. Thing is, if I would have just gotten out of the trade when the failed breakdown, like, failed, we'd be fine. We would just be entering at the next failed breakdown levels and taking it level to level. But it's not what we did. I think 500 is a draw here, Trev. Feels that way. I mean, the recess of that 21's coming. We just don't know when. It's coming. 550? We already hit the 550. 550. Bear flag. Okay, let's see. If we get back above the 9 here, this thing should be able to squeeze. Let's see. We've already pushed above it. No close above it, though. No close above it. I mean, I could maybe add on a break of 77.25. I could add up here at 77.25. Oh, did I put a sell limit? What the hell? I didn't mean to sell. Oh, I meant to add there. I sold one. Oops. God dang it. There we go. Wait. You done that? Yeah, John G. Can't believe I did that. Just have a little faith. I do. Yeah, I can't believe I did that, though. I put a sell order instead of a buy. I don't know why I did that. I was trying to put 2 there for just 5 points, but it's all right. Well, we're still in 4. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Treff. But the problem is, I wanted it to test the 9 or the 21. Just didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there. Little 90 drama. You kept pressing market? Oh, dang, Tech T. This is a form of BDSM, trading torture. Well, we got out of 2 of them there, but not, yeah, not quite what we wanted to do. Not quite what we wanted to do there, but that's all right. Excuse me. Guys, you got about 20 minutes to enter the giveaway here. Exclamation point MM in the chat. Hit the like button for me. Appreciate you. Maybe I should have taken that off there. I don't know. Hindsight's 20/20. She could have squeezed to the moon. You never know. What a bad scalper. I trade. Yeah, we're doing all right. Sam Oliver's in short. Let's go. Yeah, Spielenox activation fee is 148 for the 50K, 143 for the 25K. Lifetime. We range 70 points. Market just opened. This isn't tradable. Yeah, it's tough. It is tough. It's kind of choppy. I am long kind of top of the range here, which is never what you want to be, but I mean, what are you going to do, you know? 5-minute inside bar, 30 points. Nope, didn't pay. Still hasn't failed. No, you don't have to buy an account for the giveaway. We appreciate it if you use my code, but if you don't, no big deal. It's up to you. I don't require you to purchase anything for me. All right, let's see what happens at the 47 level there on the ES. Let's kind of see what Mancini says here. $47 remains support. Watch for sweeps of the overnight low and recoveries of 63. 47 fails, we see 38. So 48 kind of going to be our line in the sand, sounds like. Excuse me. Yeah, 30 level 2. You really hate when the market makes a move prior to open? Yeah. Thing about adding here. Looking at the body of the 5-minute candle here, if we get above it, could just pull back here though. All right. Adding 4 here. I needed to get me out of those 4 on this next push up. That's not kind of the reaction we wanted. Well, I guess I'm going to have 47 as my line in the sand there on the ES. Let's go. 100 likes. You love the Tradeify journal? Nice. Thank you for the like. Why this 2 days at 9 a.m. is crazy move? I don't know. I don't think I've managed this trade that well, but still could be okay. I need to leave 1 up here because, like, this thing could just blast right through that 21 EMA. It doesn't have to stop there. You've been seeing people that don't take any trades? Yeah. Good morning, Moises. We're always going to take trades. They may not always be great trades, but we take trades. All right, coming out of 2 there. There we go. We're still in 4. Oh. All right, we could get a short setup off this. Now, I don't know if this holds. If this squeezes above there, this thing could just take off. A lot of kind of trend line liquidity here. This could just run. This could just run. This could be a short setup, guys. And see how we need a. Obviously, if this becomes a short setup, I'll get out of this. Will Leo Zagami do a new interview about hidden global elites? I think he will. Pretty bad range, yeah. But we are generating some liquidity here, so this thing really could pop. All right. I might take a short here, guys. Problem is, like, here's the entry. Need a consolidation candle here. If this candle can close here, that would be okay. But obviously, if it's not a short setup, I'm okay with that because I'm still in long, so. The amount of wicks is something else, yeah, for sure. You dare me to short? I might. If this thing closes here, I will. If this candle closes here, I'm going to put a short order. I'll put my sell order here because that's going to be my short entry. 563.25. God dang it. You need male advice. How do I tell her she's ugly? Nothing wrong with an ugly one. We got 100 likes. Yeah, we're going to do the giveaway in a minute. I'm watching here. Close above the 21 here. Goodness. This thing could just go higher. Yeah, does she cook and clean? That's right. You got the important things. I'm going to target like all the way up here at 630s. Unless this thing pushes back down. I'm liking that the ES has kind of reclaimed that 56. If it gets above 63, then Mancini says we just squeeze. So if we get above 63 here, I'm going to add. I'm going to add if it gets above 63. You can train her. Maybe she can train you. If we reclaim 63, I'm going to add. I'm going to add pretty big size too. Might get destroyed on it. We get above 63. Close above 63, I'm going to add pretty heavy and go for 10 points. Yeah, 6250 is VWAP. It is. Careful on that add. Yeah, I'm going to add above there. So if we get above there, that's when I'll add. Got to close above 63 to add. Big rejection there on the ES, though. Kind of odd. This red line is just a stuck order, guys. I'd have to restart it to get out of it, get it off there. All right, I'll do the giveaway at 10:30, guys. So I'm gonna set the timer here for 6 minutes. Oh. And ES is showing a little volatility here. What's going on? Excuse me. We are, yeah. All right, I'm getting out of this. I'm out of that. I think I hit flatten. Took the short here, guys. Stop to break even now. Let's go. Let's go. I had alarm bells going off in my head right there that short was coming. Alarm bells going off in my head. Yes, lost that key level, and as soon as it did, I was like, I'm not holding that anymore. I just went for 20 points there. I did not take the full. I did not go for the 500 level. I think that is the draw. Yeah, that was a clean 2-minute setup. I don't know why Nutty didn't take that. That's literally the setup he looks for. That's kind of funny. I took it on evals. We like it. I do think the 500 level might be the draw here. Looking for the sweep of 37, maybe even all the way down to 25. Remember, 47 is your support level. So if it recovers that, it could go. All right, 47 reclaim here. You could long. You could long right now. You could for a scalp. Could long for a 10 or 15 point scalp here. I think it would make sense. Initial balance is not set yet. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. I was like, why is the line? Retest of the 15-minute opening range. You could effectively get another short setup here. There's the points. Level to level, 47 to 52 there on the ES. 20-point ripper. I didn't take it just because I just got out of those longs. Watch this end up being the bottom of the day. Watch it leave the 500 wicks there and just run all the way back up to open price. That really could happen. That could happen. The market is it's unpredictable. You know, like it's not going to do always what you think it's going to do. Now, if we lose 47, I think we pushed down. Mancini's saying we pushed down to 25. 38, then 25, so. But really, for the Bulls to take back control here, it needs to regain that 63 level that we were talking about. Potentially. According to ICD, the market is the most predictable shit since sliced bread. Yeah. Easy to say in hindsight. I told you guys that was I knew that was a long spot. I knew that was a long spot. I knew it was. But I didn't take it. So 2 trades on these accounts after open on the evals. I don't know why these are. Why are these not copying? I mean, those are supposed to be taken the same size. So the funding ticks and the trade days are up 250, but these are only up 160. Not sure why. So trade day about $500 away. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, guys. This thing. Ah, the one time I don't take it. It's a good morning for some, I think. Yeah. Goodness. Whether the prediction comes true. Look at that, guys. The one time I don't take it. 1 minute inverse here too as well. 2 minute as well. That previous day close is going to be a really good target. Let me show you why. Look where that previous day close is sitting. Right there in premium. So I will short off the previous day close. I'll take a 10-point short there. I'm so annoyed, though, that I did not take that long. I knew that was a long setup, and I didn't take it. Dang, why did I do that? I literally have that drawn out. I mean, we have it drawn out, right? Sweep of 47, reclaim of 52. Right there. Bam. I know you see all my lines on my chart, but still. Why did I not take that? Swinging and singing, yeah, none of it's affected you, yeah. Love me, cable guy. Thanks, Beatree. Eric. So I will short the previous day close with probably decent size. I may go 10 micros. Could long into it depending upon where. Oh, let's do the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point MM. If you're not in, jump in right quick. Jump in right quick if you're not in. I don't know, guys. We got 173 entries. What do you guys think? Should I start it over and go for like a 2-minute timer? There's only 84 people watching. That means if each person had one alt account, I don't think every person has an alt account. What do you guys think? Do we redo it? Tori Trades is now posting semi-naked videos. The girl is losing her mind. Is she? You guys think we should redo it? Ben Dover 6767. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, let's redo it. I'm going to set the timer, guys. I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes. You're going to have 2 minutes to get back in. We're going to cancel this one, and we're going to start it again. 2 minutes. You got 2 minutes right now. Listen, I know men can get a lot done in 2 minutes. You know what I mean? Men can get a lot done in 2 minutes. Tech T only has one. Yeah. You got 2 minutes to get in there. Exclamation point MM in the chat. If you already entered once, enter again. You can make a baby in 2 minutes. Exactly, Trev. Men don't need that long, right? Women can also make a baby in 2 minutes or less. We can make a family in 1 minute. All right, guys, 1 minute. Exclamation point MM. You got 1 minute. I am just going to close it and draw it at 1 minute. So if you're not in, you're not in. Sorry about your luck. 48 seconds. $40 seconds. 30 seconds. Try holding your breath for 30 seconds. See how difficult it is. Man of Futures. No Tiger. MM. No Tiger. MM, bro. All right. ES is approaching this key level, guys. It's approaching the key level there. Do I use Trade-Evade? Yes. I use Trade-Evade. Oh, I use Ninja, but I use Trade-Evade. And the winner is... The winner is... Everybody's still trying to get in. Come on, guys. It's been 2 minutes. You've had time. 50 Sovereignty. 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 Where you at, Sovereignty? Let's go. Sovereignty, send me an email, methodicalman@gmail.com. I do believe you won before, but I'll put it in the chat for you. Send me a screenshot that shows you logged into your YouTube account. And let me know if you want an Apex, any size eval, or a 50K core account from My Funded Futures. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm watching ES here closely, guys. Watching the ES here, guys. Where are all these people coming from? I mean, we got 80 people in here. We had 87 in the giveaway there. The other ones could be bots or alt accounts. I don't really know. I don't care if you're in an alt account. I just don't want bots in there. That's all. Rigged, yeah. I'm going to take a scalp here. Again, 63 retest is kind of the area where we could go down. Could go down from there. It could just fake down and then go up, though. Alito, it's a stuck order on Quan Tower. I don't know why they're doing that, but it is. Info from Trade Day. Got the invite Monday morning and nothing since. Yeah, Morningstar. Once you get the invite, you gotta go in and sign the contract. Did you do that? Bulanox end of day is currently, I don't know what the percentage off, but it's not 91%. I'll look in a moment. Making lower lows and higher highs. Yeah, it could go either way right here. This is a pivotal spot. So I'm in 5 here. I'm going to look for... I might go more. All right, I'm in 11. Should squeeze here. Should squeeze. There it is. We're only left in 1 now, guys. Again, that's the 63 reclaim there on ES. I'm going to go stop to break even right now. These are all stuck orders, guys. There's nothing I can do about them. They're not going off. Got the invite, signed the contract. Yeah, so now you just wait. Go ahead and put your payment information on there, too. Now you just wait. Previous day closes up here, Dean. That's where I'm kind of targeting. Oh, Bulenox end of day. Let me look. It's probably 45% off, but let's look. You know what? I'm actually going to give this runner a little bit of room. I'm going to give the runner a little room here. Now comes the question, so it's 45% off. The code will be MM45. Man, I don't know, guys. Like, I like a short off the previous day close. But I'm already in a long. Do I do it? Do I take I don't know. Because we could go back to the opening print. This could be low of day. Low of day could be in here. Low of day could be in. Close, restart, quant. Yeah, that's what I got to do, Alito. It's 45, John. 45 off at the moment. MM45. I didn't have a code in for it, so. I mean, I should probably just target the highs, no? Instead of, like, I think the previous day close, we get I think we get a reaction off that level. But since I'm in a long already, it doesn't make sense to close it there for a short, does it? I don't think so. We're testing the bottom of that 15-minute range. Your stop, you should have some drawdown. Oh, Dean, you marked it wrong. Well, if you got it auto plotting, it's marked it wrong again. Yeah, my stop is below my entry because I would like to give this a little room in case it pulls back. $63 is now my line in the sand on ES. If we lose 63, we're out. If we lose 63, we're out. But I want to give this room for a retest because it could happen. So one thing Nutty did mention that I didn't think about, if you got past evals on Apex, you can activate those past evals for the $6 activation fee. I didn't think about that. My stop should be below the 5-minute candle. I don't know. I mean, it's right there at it. 594. That's something to think about. Created a perfect bounce from 542. Yeah. Oh, below 545. It's okay where it is. I mean, it's okay. I don't expect it to come back this far anyway. So, guys, do we take the previous day close? Do we take it for 10 points? I could take it over here on these other accounts. Let me see if I can get this. 545. I'm going to take it over here. 545. I'm going to take it on the evals over here. Just with 1 micro. 1 micro. What up, Black Beauty? We up. Apex deal is amazing. Yeah, I think it's a good deal. If you can pass, like, you know, I think it's fine. I mean, and if you don't like Apex, it's all good. I mean, there's so many other props out there with great deals. I mean, Bulenox 91% off, Take Private Trader 30% off, no activation fee. Trade Day 40% off, no activation fee. Yes, they did raise the 50K price a little bit, but it's still a good deal. My Funded Futures $77 all in, no activation fee. Tradeify $78, no activation fee. I mean, like, there's so many good deals. Probably forgetting some other ones as well. Trade Day, Tradeify, Day Traders. I mean, Legends, Lucid. Lucid has a good deal going on as well. Lucid deal was extended, 50% off. All code MM except for Apex. Use code MYTH. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of good opportunities right now. So if you don't like one firm, go with another one. You have funding ticks as well. So, yeah, true, Loki. That's true, but they never will. Yeah, a little pullback here. I'm okay with a pullback. I mean, like I said, I'm looking for that previous day close. You kind of want it to be stair-stepping into that level anyway. And I did check it on NQ. It is one tick above on NQ, so it's 646 on NQ. So I checked the previous day close on both. You broke the eval I gave you? That's all right, Cruz. It happens. So you guys know I got that up there. Watching the ES here in case it loses the VWAP. Probably will kill this. Just want to give it room. Five-minute spinning top, 50-50. Kind of, yeah, right. There we go. Get a little squeeze here. And again, this is an eval trade over here. I'm taking it off at 645. 1 micro, 20 bucks. Well, it'll be 40 bucks because it's the evals take 2 micros instead of 1. You say heads? Oh, you didn't take any payout? Yeah, that's all right. So ES kind of retested the 63 there. Got a little bounce. Pulling back now and trying to retest it again. Let's see if it gets above 68. If we get above 68, then it's probably a nice little moonshot there. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like it's losing momentum there, doesn't it? Kind of. We do have a wick on the 5-minute chart sitting inside a fair value gap at 42.75. So this is an area, I do like the short off this area for just a reaction. I think it's fine. If we can get to it. If we can get to it. Doesn't look like we're getting there right now. So ES is testing at 63 there. Not looking good. Let's see if it can hold it. So losing the 63 there for the ES for now. I'll probably take this off if it gets back below the EMAs here. I'll just take it off. Needs to really bounce here if it's going to bounce. The ES is already below. All right. Yeah, that 15-minute range are out of it there. That 15-minute range just held there. That orange line, that yellow line is the 9 to 9-15-minute range. So now we did hit premium, so this is a good short setup here, guys. I'm gonna try it. I'm going to try it. This is an A setup. If ES pushes right back up, back above 63 here again, you know what that means. That means we're going to go higher. Let me pull this over. On this trade, this is the stop to break even. That's the stop to break even. You could even scale there. I mean, it's 16, or what is that, 80? That's 26 points. You could even scale there. You could scale there. I'm going to look for a little bit bigger of a move, so I'm not going to scale, but... Oh, I only have one micro, so I can't scale. ES couldn't hold that 63 there. I mean, that's kind of... You know, it's kind of the thing there. Sitting here with your feet on the seat watching the show. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I kind of wanted to add there, but I just don't want to. But again, you could scale at 580. I mean, that is 26 points. Isn't it? No, 16 points. I can't count. So since we don't know what's going to happen at that 579 level, that's where we'll go break even. All right, stop to break even. It's like, we don't know what's going to happen there. It could just bounce, right? Normally I would have scaled there, but I'm only in one micro. Only in one micro, so... More props needs to adopt if swing cap sucks, though, but Fideas is out. Yeah, I like the swing accounts. I just don't swing, but I do think it makes sense. There we go. Yeah, giveaway's over, Vicky. I don't have patience. No, not really. Do. Let's see if this thing can push down to the 550s here. The winner was Sovereignty. Anybody having problems with Bulanox? Not, I haven't. I haven't been trading though. I mean, I've taken a couple of trades. Bulanox is connected on Ninja. It's working right. Yeah, bulls are kind of pushing here. We're about to get stopped out again. I mean, I could have like taken profit there. It's one of those ones where, like, you know, you just take what you can. But I was just in one micro, so I was okay with it. I'm going to go ahead and restart. Let me go ahead and wait, yeah. I'm going to restart my Quine Tower. We'll see what happens here. I had to restart this, guys. I hate those stuck orders. Must be a DX feed issue because it's not a problem on Quantower Bulanox data. I don't know. Bulanox doesn't have DX, does it? Bulanox allows micro scalping. Yes. Helioi, you can do anything you want on Bulanox. There's no rules. You can do almost anything you want. Bulanox is the most rule-friendly prop. They don't want you copy trading, but it's never been a problem. I copy trade and I've taken payouts, and it's, you know, but other than that, there's no rules really on Bulanox there. All night long. Yeah. All right, we're finally back up. It just pushed back up there, stopped me out. I mean, like, the thing is, that I should have scaled there. I mean, we were up 30 points, but I mean, the thing is, you know, in case you're wondering why I took that trade, guys, I'll show you. Delivery from a fair value gap. All right. For those of you who think I don't trade the inversions anymore, I do. Delivery from, let me get this fib correct here. So we pushed back up to premium of the range, right? Above 50%. We swept liquidity on the way up. We didn't get this wick, but that's okay. And then we had a nice little death candle back through this gap here. You see that nice close? Bam. So that's the reason I took that trade. That's an A setup. And you got a clear drawn liquidity lower. Now, the only thing is, the way I mechanically trade that, once we hit that next fair value gap or internal swing, we're going to move stop to break even. Now, I usually would scale there if I had more than one micro. But you can see it just stopped me out. So now this is the only thing holding us up from kind of going back and retesting that 500 level, potentially running those wicks. Now, is this an entry? No, I mean, it's not an entry. Number one, it's too low. Number two, it's it's the second entry. So we don't know what's going to happen here. So scaling right there would have made sense, but I only had one micro, so nothing I could do. Oh, $39. You can micro all you like. That's true. You took it for 10 points. Yeah. I mean, it's a nice trade right there, Alito, and it gave 30. I could have taken it for 10 or 20 if I'd went more than one micro, but I just didn't. I don't really know why I didn't. I just didn't. Oh! Ugh! Woo! All right, guys, we got about 2 minutes until 11 o'clock this morning. I'm going to go ahead and call it here. I'll be on My Fund of Futures TV at 11:30 with Bull Barbie. Let me post a link in the chat. Join me over there at 10:30, obviously, or 11:30. Obviously, we'll be doing a giveaway. I'm going to leave my order sitting up there at 645.50. Let's see if that's a winner or not. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you want to help support the channel, use all my codes for the sales that are going on currently. Myth is the code for Apex, not MM, but MM on every other prop firm. So yeah, you are Con. I'm gonna send it to you. I'm just waiting on the payments to hit, and then we'll send those out. So as soon as those hit, we'll send those out. Let's see here. I might be back this afternoon. I'm not quite sure. So Sovereignty, appreciate you. We'll get that over to you. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, guys. Again, appreciate you guys watching. We did end up green so far. I'll show you the P&Ls right quick so you know. For the transparency, up about 250 on the evals, thereabout, and $50 on the fundeds. And then we're up on the one that we've been kind of degenning over here. We're up $159, nothing crazy. So, anyways, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you over there at My Fund of Futures TV at 11:30.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect